My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2016 Kia Sportage. This vehicle has done just under 40,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have our automatic headlights. On the right we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving onto our screen we can access our radio, media, Bluetooth, navigation, information, setup, and our dual zone climate control. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.